solve the inequality 1 over 3, open bracket 2x minus 1 less than 5. Now, this is a WAEC question and it is an inequality question. Why is it inequality? Because if you notice, you see that the sign we have is not the equal to sign. So the equal to sign is our equality sign. And the opposite of equality is inequality. So now that it is inequality, it could actually be less than, it could be greater than, it could be less than or equal to, and it could actually be greater than or equal to. But in this question, we are given it to be less than. Nothing changed. Just solve it the normal way you are going to solve your equations. The normal way you are going to solve equations. So let us go. Solution. We have 1 over 3, open bracket, 2x minus 1. So let's open the bracket at first. So if you open the bracket, 1 multiplied by the bracket will still give you the value. So you'll be having 2x minus 1 over 3 less than 5. So see this less than as though it is equal to. If you see less than as though it is equal to, something like this. So let us assume we have equal to here. So assuming this is equal to, the next thing to do is to do what? To cross multiply, right? That's what you do here. So now let us solve it back. Let's solve it with our sign, which is less than. Cross multiply from here. So by cross multiplying, you'll be having 2x minus 1 less than, that will be 3 times 5 now. 3 times 5. So you'll be having 2x minus 1 less than 15, right? So you'll be having 2x is less than 15. Now, when minus 1 is crossing to the other side, it turns to what? Plus 1. So we'll be having 2x less than 16. And then you divide all through by 2 so that x will stand alone. So dividing by 2, this place will give us x less than 16 divided by 2 will give us 8. So this is our final answer, x less than 8. It's just the normal way you are going to solve it. Let's quickly do it when we have it to be equal to. So assuming we add it to be equal to from here, we'll be having this is equal to 5. So when we cross multiply, you're also having 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 times 5 will give us 15. So here you have 2x is equal to 15. When minus 1 is crossing over to the other side, it turns to plus 1. So we're having 2x to be equal to 16. X is equal to 16 over 2, which is equal to 8. So the only thing that changes in inequality and equality is that the sign. Instead of equal to sign that we have here, we have it to be what? Less than. Mind you, in your question, if you are giving it to be greater than, then follow the pattern of greater than. If you are giving it to be less than or equal to, follow the pattern of less than or equal to. If you are giving it to be greater than or equal to, follow that pattern. So our final answer here is x less than, let me write it here. Our final answer is x less than 8. That's the final answer. So kindly like, comment, and share this video. Thank you.